thing's coming apart.
This is not gonna work.
You have to comment below which one you like better. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is my mom. I dragged her to do a video with us. We're gonna be doing some gingerbread houses together. But what she doesn't know, there's a twist.
Oh no.
Because just doing gingerbread houses would be kind of boring. First we have...
Blindfolded?
No. We have our hot cocoa. Mine's in a I Love Lucy mug. Here are the gingerbread houses. This one I got for my mom, which is M&M's. Then I got myself a Elf on the Shelf gingerbread house. Then I was at Five Below and we got a Barbie one. The fun part is that just doing them would be, boring.
Boring.
So we're gonna do it with tiny hands.
What is this, Saturday Night Live?
I got a pack for you and a pack for me, so you have to build your gingerbread house with tiny hands.
But I want it to look like this. I can't do that with tiny hands.
Well, I think we could build it, maybe just decorate with the tiny hands and build it with our regular hands. Right. Otherwise, the structure, I'm a little concerned. I hope you enjoy us building our gingerbread houses together, and we'll see if they come out good. Even cut these out and have them be little people. You don't have that.
Oh, fine.
There's little people, little elves on the shelves. We never did elves.
Don't give me the fun ones.
We never did Elf on the Shelf growing up. I didn't know about that until I was much older.
I'm a no-nonsense person.
Not a regular mom. She's a cool mom.
Not like a regular mom. I'm a cool mom.
Oh, it's even... Oh, chocolate.
Wow, this is getting better every...
You might actually eat your gingerbread house this year.
That's all?
No.
That's all.
It needs.
Not enough.
Well, it's a mini gingerbread house, Mom. Wow, it's really mini. This is the whole front of the house. Front of the house, roof, and maybe this side.
You break it? You should have let me do it. Well, we'll just cement it back together. This should be easy for me because I'm so handy.
Right.
Lay out one of the fronts.
You give us a lot of icing. Icing on the side.
I taught you clean as you go, okay? Little dab will do ya.
Press a side wall up against the icing strip on the back panel. Repeat process with the front panels and the other side of the wall. Adjust walls as necessary to make sure the pieces are joined together securely before adding the roof pieces. Oh, this is the side? Window?
The wavy line, I think.
This is... Oh, I thought this was the side. These are the roofs. The roof is wavy. It's a window. Why would the window be on the ceiling? On the roof? You know?
I don't know.
Well, I'm just telling you. I do like how thick this is, though, because it's actually sticking. I usually feel like you're holding it for 20 minutes to make it.
Yeah, I haven't done a lot of these. It does seem like it's very nice to have it.
We weren't a very festive family growing up.
Oh, wow.
We never did these.
Never is a long time.
Maybe one or twice.
We might have done it once or twice.
Mine's a classic gingerbread. Did you do this stuff growing up?
Nope. Learn from what you grow up with, and
you never did it either.
My mom didn't do this, so
I can't believe how small these are. These are going to be at least like 4 of these in one.
$5 will get you this itty bitty little house.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not thinking this is going to take a whole lot of time.
It will once we start using the hands.
Well, that will add a dimension.
Put the roof on. I broke my roof.
But you can glue it back together.
I don't know which side is the top, though. Which side are you putting as the top?
The wavy side.
Going this way?
Oh, yeah.
Wavy side.
You gotta have the shingles go down, right?
What kind of family traditions did you do growing up?
Well, my mom made fudge.
I told my mom she has to make fudge for me this year.
We made fudge. We made hard candy.
Ooh, that sounds fun.
And we put it on the wrong way. Not even paying attention. Not really impressing anybody that I'm a good handyman.
What kind of candy did you make? Can you make
cinnamon?
Cinnamon.
Make it hard, and you you cool it by pouring it on
a marble or
marble.
Marble. I've seen like candy shops doing that.
And we had marble on an old dresser that was my dad's, and so we were able to make candy. Went to church on Sunday or on Christmas Eve, and then we came home and sang carols, and then went to bed.
As a family?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
My mom would play the piano. We'd sing.
Oh, I didn't know she could play the piano.
Just like nobody knows I play the piano.
I could play the piano too. Yours is kind of crooked.
Wow.
Mine's kind of messed up too. Mine all built. I don't know if you can really see it. Here's my gingerbread house. A little off center. This will be the front, and you can't tell that.
I need to do a little work here.
I don't think you're doing enough frosting.
Maybe not.
I was really,
You gobbing it on there?
yeah, just to make sure it was staying.
All right, starting over.
I'm gonna let mine sit for a few minutes to harden before we start decorating it. Are you gonna try to do an exact replica? Or are you gonna let your creativity soar?
I'm going to let the box give me a good start, a good foundation, and I'll go from there.
Hopefully I found these at Five Below because I was going to order them on Amazon, but they were $10 for one pair on Amazon. Only.
Five Below's been very successful for
Yeah,
you.
I love Five Below. Oh, this is going to be interesting because I'm also right-handed. My mom is left-handed. Yeah, let me help you.
You know what we should do? We should use those and recreate an SNL.
And I'm Judy, with my husband, with my fiance, with my boyfriend, with me by myself. Do you think that you could squeeze it?
I honestly don't think you're going to be able to do much with those other than maybe, look it, I got to pick these little things up with those hands.
It's what makes it fun, Mom. It's a fun challenge. So for my gingerbread house, I have these little things. I feel like they're kind of like sprees, but in a ball form.
They look like Dippin' Dots. It's only much
Bigger. Candy Jewels is what they say. This is a very classic gingerbread house decorative. And then we've got some gumdrops. Pretty much all green, which is the worst flavor. They said, you know what? The gumdrop community said, you know what? We have a lot of green left. Let's throw them in these stupid gingerbread house kits. This is hers.
I mean, it still is kind of coming out over here.
In the front, it looks really good. It's pretty secure now. The whole thing's coming apart. I'm going to start first by opening everything up, and then I will use my tiny hands. Mom's got M&Ms. You just have M&Ms. That's it. Big and small.
What else does one need, I ask?
Don't forget your hands, Mom.
Are you trying to break my house? This is not going to work.
High five.
This is not going to work. And now you have no more icing.
Your hands are your best tools. I'm going to take the gumdrops. One. It's just a little learning curve.
Oh, for the love. I can't do this.
Mom, you've given up already.
Well, I can't even get the icing out.
Look, I did my whole top with my little hands. Let's do the edges of the top of the
I
house.
can't even get the top, much less the edges at this point.
The front of the roof. So it's framing the house.
I'm using these tiny little hands to try to put icing in the gap on my roof. It's not very good. Spread it a little bit more. What if I do this?
Yep, I was just about to think that too. Best trick, I would do this without these hands as well. Put a little frosting on the end of your finger, and that's what you use to grab your candy, pop it on.
Oh, that's the trick. That is the trick, Sydney.
It's just getting the frosting on the house, I think, is the most difficult part. Almost like using tweezers.
Look at that.
That looks great.
Make the scallops on the roof.
That's why I did the front at first. I feel like the scallops are going to be very difficult, but
It's a little bit.
it's not bad.
Whoa.
I don't like all this candy on this on this thing. It's not working for me. The whole thing's coming apart.
Oh.
I rebuilt mine. This is the front.
I got my hands mixed up here. My left hand is in my right hand, and my right hand is in my left hand. Oh.
I think I'm just going to throw it on here, and then I'll move it with my hand and just do a snowy roof because I don't know what else to do. What's your favorite Christmas movie?
I don't know if I have a favorite Christmas movie.
Are there any movies that you feel like you have to watch every year?
No.
Even if you don't watch them?
No. I don't know why, but I just don't feel that need to do that stuff.
So I'm putting the frosting all over the roof so it looks like a fresh snowfall. I am a little bit concerned about the extra weight that the frosting will add, but I'm liking that it's falling off.
Well, I think one of the things about making this is because you're dealing with snow, imperfection is not a bad thing. I think that's the thing about art. You can make it whatever you want it to be.
Now that my hand is nice and dirty, I'm gonna take the candy jewels and we're gonna decorate the top. Just no rhyme or reason. They're just there. Add some color to the roof, you know? We watched Home Alone the other night.
That's a good movie. I forgot how good it was.
It's a great one. Do you like Home Alone 1 or Home Alone 2 better?
Well, I don't recall 2, so since we watched 1, I'm going to go with 1.
I would say 1 is probably better.
The originals are always better than their sequels.
Not always. Most of the time, yes.
Most of the time. They are mostly these days.
You're using that method with the frosting on your fingers, and now you've got little white dots on each.
I know.
Each gem, each M&M.
I wouldn't. It would be cleaner if I didn't have these to work with.
But what if it wouldn't have been, and then you've been even more frustrated that you couldn't even make it look nice with your regular hands?
Yeah. Well, that's what I think we put too much pressure on ourselves to make it perfect. I think that was the word you used.
As the back in terms of the gems, it's like this part I'm going to do on the other side as well, just to add a little bit, because maybe I'll make that the front, because the other one's a little bit too crazy. Do you think that Die Hard is a Christmas movie?
No.
You heard that?
I know that
people think
they think it is because they're having a Christmas party, right?
Yeah. I honestly don't even think I've ever seen Die Hard.
It's a good movie.
Is it? My mom and I watch movies a lot. Maybe we should watch that tonight.
My roof is covered with M&Ms. See?
We'll do close-ups.
Ooh.
Well, they have it as the gumdrop as like the center of a wreath right here. So I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to make this the front because there's less congestion. Whereas you look at this one, it's a little crazier because that's the part that fell.
One yellow eye, one green eye. Oh,
my hands are really gross. Okay, gumdrop. Let's do a purple. Purple. Gumdrop.
ta-da!
You done? Here's my final house. A full 360. Forward. This is Mom's.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Okay, you have to comment below which one you like better, mine or my mom's. I think yours is better.
Yours is cute.
I think yours was a little more of a higher level of difficulty. I think because you did the shingles.
The swirls?
You actually did the swirls. I just threw it on the top, and I think the M&Ms being flat was a little bit more difficult. Oh, I will say on yours, they had the M&Ms on the top sitting up. That would have been cool.
Maybe I should go back and fix that. Now whose? That's better.
And I like the dark chocolate with the bright colored M&Ms. Yeah. Mine looks okay.
Yeah.
Pretty cute.
Comment and subscribe.
Oh, yep. Comment, subscribe. Let us know who your favorite is. But thanks
Merry
for
Christmas.
watching. Bye.